They say the kitchen faucet sink is loose, which it is. So I get here. Really? Okay. Ow. Bump my head. This is what we're looking at. This one has just rusted. Clean through. Okay. Well, let's go to Lowe's. I mean, you know I'm coming over there, and I'll have to get underneath. Can we at least have it cleaned out before I get there? Can you guys see anything? Let's see here. I got this bucket. Oh, come on, water. Try to catch the most water as possible. Oh, that ain't working. What if I can just pull that up? Let's find out. Oh gosh. Shut off. It was so rusted. Didn't even have to pull off the nuts. Yeah. I don't know what you guys can see, but it's really cramped up underneath here. And this is something new. Putting in I had to get this style because I was afraid these things were too rusted out. Come on. Yeah, come on. Really? Let's make sure it's straight up front. Okay. I need to replace these hoses. Alright, new one's in. Oh, I put new lines. Now I gotta play Tetris. Putting all this back in underneath the sink. Alright guys, subscribe to the channel. That was it. Just another faucet. I didn't even have to take the bolts loose. It was just rusted through. So I had to put one of those single thingies in there, whatever you call those posts. Anyways, like the channel, subscribe please. Catch you on the next one. Bye.